Hi, this is Paul Blanton with Quantridge. We're here in Southern California doing some testing and doing some work with a customer, and we thought it'd be a good opportunity to kind of show you how the Quantridge system works, show the responsiveness between the different displays, and give you a real-time demonstration for sort of how the infrastructure works and how the different devices communicate with each other. So what I have here is I have a Quantridge system. It is a 2-channel version. It's displaying both, streaming both live vibration data and acoustic noise. We have a microphone right there and an accelerometer here on the floor. I have the IoT version streaming from the cloud. We have the current FFT on a 10-second delay right here, and then historic vibration level at the compressor frequency. And we have a live scan image going on here. The microscope behind me is scanning live, so you see a pretty clean image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on this compressor I have right here, and what you're going to see is you're going to see both a disturbance in the image, and you're going to see an increase in vibration on the real-time desktop display here, and you're going to see the vibration level increase significantly on the cloud-based solution. And I want to reiterate that this cloud-based solution will work anywhere in the world with internet access. The data we're seeing here is being streamed via the 4G LTE network to the cloud, and then I'm accessing it via a local internet connection. So here we go. Okay, so what you guys saw there was obviously the vibration jump on both the real-time display. You saw it jump with a 10-second delay on the cloud-based solution. And you saw a disturbance in the image. And now you can see that we return to normal. We have a clean scan. The vibration source that we were seeing on the real-time display is gone. And now we are well within specification for this tool, as you can see on the IoT cloud-based version here. So, we think this is a very useful tool, so you can monitor what's going on at your tool location when you're not necessarily there. We think this is very useful for remote imaging or understanding what's going on in your facility 24 hours a day to monitor production. So, thank you very much. Appreciate your time, and hopefully this was a useful demonstration for you. Thanks.